Hello everyone. Today we make a program to uh, check the year is leap year or not. Firstly, we know that the condition of leap year. The condition of leap year is that if year is completely divided by 4 or not. Means if we divide it by 4, its remaining is equal to 0. But this statement is not complete because, for example, let uh, 19,000 is leap year or not. Now we check with the help of this statement. If we divide it by if we divide it by 4, its remainder remain is equal to 0, but 19,000 is not a leap year. So condition of leap year is not right. So complete this statement. If year is divided by 4, its remainder is equal to 0, and when we divide year divided by 100, then its remainder is not equal to 0. This is one statement. Or year, when we divide year by 400, then its remainder is equal to 0. This is a complete statement to check the leap year. This is single condition and this is single condition. Another condition. Now we apply in the program. Firstly, we make a variable year which take the input by the user, enter the year. And now our year variable is data type is integer, not a string. So int keyword is used, and in if condition, if statement, we apply these conditions. If year is divided by 4, then its remainder remains is equal to 0, and year divided by 100, then remainder remain is not equal to 0. When both conditions satisfied, then we can say that it is leap year, otherwise not. Or in or condition, if year is completely divisible by 400, divided by 400, then we can say that it is also a leap year. So print in both these conditions it is leap year, else print it is not leap year. So now run this code and check our program is right or not. Enter the year 2024. You can see that it is leap year, and now again we check 19,000. So you can see that it is not leap year. Okay guys, thank you.